How to clear cache in Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold onto it. Here on the top, you can find this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we're in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Here on the right bottom, tap on clear data. You can find two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and hit on OK. Now all the temporary files are completely gone. You can simply go back and restart your app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.